Hi guys, my name is Zoran and today I'm going to show you websites that will pay you from $50 to $200 to write articles for them. And some will even pay you $500 to write just one article. And you probably figured out this method is not for everybody, it's for writers and copywriters. But don't worry if you're not good at writing articles, there is a way for you to leverage this method. And this is not writing articles on Fiverr, people per hour, Upwork or anything like that. You will write articles for these websites and they will directly pay you to your PayPal. So there is no middleman. You keep all the profit. But before we begin, if you're into making money and internet marketing, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you get notifications when I upload new videos. Okay, let me just jump in my computer and we are going to start. To find these websites, simply go on Google and type "get paid to write." And all of these websites actually made a list of websites that will pay you to write content for them. I personally like to use this website called Money Pantry, and these guys actually made a list of 101 websites that will pay you from $50 to $3,000 per blog post. And best of all, they actually divided these websites in categories to make it easier for you to choose for which website you actually wish to write. Simply scroll down and categories like travel, general interest, short stories, political, humor, education, religion, and so on and so on. And when you scroll down, you will see this website will actually pay you $150 per post. This one will pay you £220 per post, $50 to $200 per post, and so on and so on and so on. Let's check this website. And it actually takes you directly to submit page. Now I have to say that every website has their own rules and your article must follow those rules, such as article must be useful and practical information, must be inspiring, content must be information based, in-depth articles, photos, videos, graphics, and so on and so on. And if your article doesn't follow these rules, it won't be accepted, it won't be published, and you won't get paid. If you have problems with inspirations, you don't know what to write, simply go on Google. Now this website is about, it's traveling website, so let's type something like how to travel alone. And look how many people actually write about this. Simply read all of these articles and write your own. I personally like to go on Quora and type how to travel alone. And look how many people actually ask this question. And look how many people answer on their questions. 36 answers, 24 answers, 19, 60, 32, and so on and so on. Let's go on this one, for example. And most of these answers are actually well informative, well written, very good articles. Let's go on answers, click on more, and look at this answer. It's actually very informative, very good answer, and all you have to do is rewrite this answer as and submit it to this website, and you will make $150. If you are not good at writing articles, there is a way for you to leverage this method. All you have to do is actually go on Fiverr, people per hour, Upwork, or some other freelance website and find someone to write you an article. For $30–40 you can find someone who will write you well-researched, very informative, very good 1,000+ words article that you can actually submit to one of these websites. And if you pay $40 and submit to a website that I use as an example in this video, you will make $150. So you will make $110 profit. So if you order 10 articles and submit to 10 different websites, you can make $1,000 in just one day. But please read the rules. Every website has their own rules, and if your article is not by the rules, it won't get accepted, it won't get published, and you won't get paid. So read the rules before you start writing article. So that is how you find websites that will pay you from $50 to $200 for just one article. That's it for today, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next time. Bye.